Are you getting errors while enabling the Windows recovery environment with the REAGENTC command? Then you are at the right place, as we have the ways to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. REAGENTC is a command used to enable and disable the Windows recovery environment. Windows recovery environment is used to troubleshoot and fix boot issues on a Windows PC. When it is disabled, you cannot repair or reset your PC. Some users cannot enable the Windows recovery environment with the REAGENTC command and they see these error messages: REAGENTC.EXE operation failed with the error code. REAGENTC.EXE an error has occurred. If you get such a message, then here is what you need to do. Let's get started. Method 1. Check the recovery folder. The winre.vim file is crucial for the Windows recovery environment. If it's missing or corrupted, the recovery environment won't function. The file is active and not visible on the C drive even with hidden files enabled unless the recovery environment is disabled. To resolve REAGENTC.EXE operation failed error, check and replace winre.vim file. Open C:/Windows/system32/recovery. Enable hidden files and folders to see if winre.vim is present. If missing or corrupted, copy the winre.vim file from another healthy computer or installation media to this location on your affected computer. Finding winre.vim in installation media. Download the Windows ISO using the Windows Media Creation tool. Mount the ISO. Open the sources folder and locate the install.vim or install.esd file. Extract the file using a tool like 7-zip. Then go to this location to access the winre.vim file, Windows/system32/recovery. Copy this file to the affected computer and enable the Windows recovery environment. Method 2. Repair your system image files. The next thing you can do is use the built-in tools, System File Checker and DISM to repair the corrupted system file images. Method 3. Disable the legacy BIOS and enable the secure boot. Enter your BIOS and disable the legacy BIOS. The steps are different for computers of different brands, so refer to the user manual of your computer for details. Method 4. Assign a new letter to the recovery partition. Next, assign a new letter to the recovery partition. Click on Windows Search and type disk part. Select the correct option in the search results to launch the disk part utility. Now, type these commands and hit enter after entering each command. List disk, select disk hash, list volume, select volume hash, assign letter equals K. You should replace hash with the correct disk and volume number. Now execute this command. Now check the BIOS mode in the System Information app. If it is legacy, change it to UEFI and also enable the secure boot. Restart your computer. You should be able to enable the Windows recovery environment this time. If you want to know in details, follow this blog or this website. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.